It's rolling now.
Okie doke. See you then. Jared will be here between 3:30 and 4, Mahal. Are you gonna have coffee with me?
Yeah.
You got sidetracked, didn't you?
I'm just gonna turn this off because I'm cooking. What do you call that? I like the bacon. I've been telling you
You're
that.
gonna try to make it soft for me,
Oh yeah.
because I don't like hard.
Okay.
I only have half of my teeth.
Okay. I'm gonna take some already. It's not crunchy.
Okay.
Let's take the grease off. I want so greasy.
Oh.
Are you? Okay. Good morning, mga kongregasyon. O, pumayag si Dudong na
I'm
i-document
not
yung
gonna
umaga.
talk Tagalog.
You're not gonna talk Tagalog, so you want me to speak English?
You can speak it.
Ayan, pumayag siya. Sabi niya, i-document namin yung morning.
But
Yung typical morning namin.
I'm gonna talk to the English people.
Okay, you can talk to the English people and I can talk to the Tagalog people.
Yeah.
My congregation is
Then
mostly Tagalog, so I can talk both.
Then we double our trouble.
We double our trouble. So, ayan po yung typical namin. Usually, nung wala akong work, nung hindi niya ako pinapayagan pang mag-work, usually, kahit mga 10 or 11 ang gising namin, I don't care kung tanghaliin kami ng gising kasi nga,
Watch your head.
wala naman akong pasok. Pero ngayon, dahil nasanay na ulit yung mata ko, na gumising na maaga kahit may pasok o wala, maaga na akong nagigising. Good for me kasi maaga akong nakakatapos sa garden, yung mga dapat kong unahin sa umaga. So, ayan. Ito yung typical namin, magkakape kami, kasi siya, ang love language niya ay quality time. Right, baby? Your love language is quality time. So, very important sa kanya yung 15 to 20 minutes
But
na
she has to
nagkakami.
speak in English to me.
Okay, yeah. So, 15 to 20 minutes, okay na siya. Basta bigyan ko lang siya ng time sa umaga. Magka-coffee kami, magpe-pray, magpe-praise and worship. Magbabasa kami ng isang Bible verse every day. Okay na siya. Tapos
Are you
magkukwento
gonna
kami.
preach or are you gonna?
No, I'm
watch?
just- Diyos ko. Ayan na siya. Nagka-ano na naman to. Ayan, ganyan typical talaga yan. Walang walang cut. Ganyan talaga siya. I said, you're like that. Even there's no camera.
That's right.
That's right.
That's right. I'm not going to perform.
Oo, ganyan talaga siya. So, kung maiinis siya sa akin. So,
They get what they get.
yeah. They get what they get. So, ayun. Basta siya, 15 minutes to 20 minutes. Okay na siya. Pero minsan, pag wala naman ako masyadong gagawin at ganap sa buhay, mas mahaba ang kwentuhan namin mag-asawa. Pinag-usapan namin lahat ng mga maglibangan. Ganun. Tapos, ayok. Tapos sa tanghali, papakainin mo lang siya. Hindi naman siya gano'n nakikita niyo siyang ganyan, pero very independent naman siya. Actually, minsan nga, may time pa nga ayaw niya na nandito ako, pinapalayas ako niya. Sasabihin niya, you go with your friends or go shopping. Right,
This
baby?
isn't a block that you're not interested in what that's splashing you. You're just talking.
No, I'm just explaining what it looks like, our morning looks like.
That's only extended sidetrack.
Ayan, pag hindi nga ako nasa sidetrack, minsan nakakalimutan ko siya. Kasi pag lumabas na ako, ayun, nabibisi na ako sa garden, sa manok, sa aso, sa pusa. Tapos sasabihin niya, nakalimutan mo na ako. Totoo naman, nakakalimutan ko siya talaga minsan. Tapos yun, nakakonsensya naman ako, uupo na ako at mamamahinga na ako. Or minsan naman, i-justify ko yung sarili ko. Na kunwari, hindi naman kunwari, pero talaga naman ako ang gumagawa. So, ayan, magtataka kayo, kung ano to, ay nakikita nyo ba? Ayan, ano siya, lift. Tapos ito, what do you call it, baby? I forgot.
What are we talking
This
about?
tries,
Tripod. I don't know.
what do you call this?
Trapeze.
Trapeze. Dito, ito yung hawakan niya, kaya may ganyan. Pati sa Pilipinas, may ganito siya. Nagpagawa rin ako sa Pilipinas, ang tawag niyan ay trapeze. Tapos, ito, makikita nyo, kaya ang ano namin, ang typical namin kwarto ay hindi mukhang kwarto, mukhang hospital setting. So, ayan, meron kaming ano, ayun, lift pagka binubuhat siya. One of these days, makikita nyo, papakita ko kung paano ko siya nilalagay sa kama from his wheelchair to ano. Tapos nakita nyo yung bed namin, magkahiwalay. Dati isang bed lang yan, isang malaki. Pero ngayon, nagkaroon siya ng hospital bed na naiaangat. Yung paa, yung ano, hospital bed yan, na galing sa VA. So, yun lang ang maganda sa VA dito, binibigay lahat ng supply. Pati yan, galing sa VA din yan. Mahal po yan, yung lift na yan. So, sa ospital nyo lang makikita, kaya parang ospital yung bahay namin, di ba?
So read the Bible.
Okay. O, yan.
You're preaching.
Magbabasa na kami ng Bible verse.
You're getting.
Okay. I'm just explaining. Maybe they're kind of,
You're talking too much.
they're kind of, wondering what is in our bedroom.
The Lord loves righteousness and justice. The earth is full of his unfailing love.
And then we're gonna
Our
listen.
verse of the day today comes from Psalm 33:5. The Lord loves righteousness and justice. The earth is full of his unfailing love. As you think about this verse today, take a look at this short video exploring righteousness throughout the Bible. How good is life for those who hunger and thirst for Dikaiasune, because they will be satisfied. Dikaiasune, or righteousness, means living in right relationship with God, other people, and all creation. We act with righteousness when we live justly, honestly, and faithfully, according to God's instruction. In Jesus' teachings, righteousness describes not only fasting and prayer, but also giving generously to the poor, forgiving others, and loving our enemies. To live this way is to do right by God. God also does righteousness towards us. That is, he does right by his covenant promises to people, to send Israel's promised Messiah to renew the world. In accordance with his promise, we wait for new heavens and a new earth where Dikaiasune is at home.
Ayan. At nakalimutan ko palang explain.
Our verse of the day today comes from Psalm.
Pag morning,
I'm done now.
yeah,
I'm done now.
okay. Pag morning, no,
I'm done now.
ayaw niya na. Explain ko na sandali. I will explain something. Pag morning at kaming dalawa, walang gadget. For 20 minutes or 15 minutes, sisigawan niya ako pag hinawakan ko yung cellphone ko. Or same kaming
I'm
gano'n.
done now.
Okay. I'm done now. Ayaw niya.
You can shut that off.
Sabi sa inyo, di ba?
You can shut it off.
Oh, you say bye-bye to congregation.
All right.
Bye. Howdy. Ayan na. So, i-spend na namin yung together namin this morning. Kaya ayaw niya na may camera. So, good morning everyone! Bye! See you! Aray ko!